Term insurance is a great product. You're going to hear a lot, no matter where you go, that you should buy term, invest the rest. And people are right. Term insurance is great. And the reason for that is because, quite simply, it's cheap. You can get a great policy for a substantial death benefit for a low monthly premium. I'll use myself as an example. I'm 25 years old, almost 26. I invested in a policy for $250,000. That policy is costing me about $20 a month. But it's allowing me to have that insurance. So if I was to die tomorrow, it's going to cover my mortgage. It's going to pay out any of my final expenses at a low monthly premium. So term insurance is really great for a couple of reasons. One is it's low monthly premium. But another thing that's really great about it, though, is it's a great start to cover some of the other expenses that you might have as a young person starting in your career. A young person doesn't necessarily have the income or the flexibility to go out and say, okay, I'm going to spend $500 a month on a monthly premium. If you do, great, good for you. But most people don't. And so term insurance is a great way to kind of get around that. Still get yourself insurance, but to take care of yourself in the same time without making yourself insurance poor. Now, the other reason why term insurance is really important is it can actually replace the mortgage insurance issued by a bank. Now, normally you're probably going to think, okay, well, why would I buy a life insurance policy when I could buy mortgage insurance? Well, here's the thing. Mortgage insurance is a product that's dedicated to, it's owned by the banks. Now, the bank, it's underwrote at death. Now, what that means is the bank is going to go through your entire medical history at time of death and try to find a reason why not to give it to you. Now, not to disparage banks, it's a product that works and it's something that, is very valuable. But wouldn't you rather own that policy? Wouldn't you rather have the flexibility to do something yourself? With a life insurance policy, you have control of it. You decide who the beneficiary is. It's also going to have a level premium. You're going to pay a level premium for the amount that you want, as opposed to paying the same premium for a decreasing mortgage amount. Let's think about that for a second. If you're paying onto your mortgage every month, then your mortgage is going to go down. However, when your mortgage insurance is calculated, it's calculated with a monthly premium that stays level as well. So really what you're doing is you're paying more for that mortgage insurance every month with the money that you're paying towards it. Again, you're looking at a very small difference in cost between a mortgage insurance policy and a life insurance policy. Again, using myself as an example. I bought a condo this past summer. It was great, I was really excited about it, and I signed up for mortgage insurance, not knowing anything about this industry at the time. Now, then I decided to move into this industry and learned a little bit about it. Within probably a week or so, after just a little bit of knowledge about what a term insurance policy would do for me, I canceled my mortgage insurance and went with the term insurance policy. And I'll tell you why. My condo mortgage insurance was, for my mortgage was about $184,000. Okay? So my mortgage is basically covered by that mortgage insurance, which was fine. But what happened with that is $184,000, I was paying about $18 a month. I decided to get a life insurance policy so that I would own the policy, so that I can decide where the money goes, that my beneficiaries can choose to use that money however they want. Maybe they have a great, they have a great career. They're not worrying about paying the mortgage. What happened is, as a result of that, I decided, okay, let's do a quote. Let's see what I can do for my term insurance. I was able to get a term insurance policy for $250,000. Remember, my mortgage insurance was for $184,000. For $250,000 for $2 more a month. Because of my age, it's going to stay level for the next 20 years. It's a better advantage for you than doing something with the bank in that situation. So if you're ready to start thinking about if term insurance is the right need for you, I want you to give me a call. 204-955-2879 or send me an email, eku@ekumalcolm.com, because I want to make sure that your friends and family are protected the way you want them to, not the way the bank wants you to.